In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a contact form on your Weebly website quickly and easily. If you want your visitors to reach you without hassle, this is exactly what you need. So let's jump right in. Start by logging into your Weebly account. Once you're in, head straight to the website editor. This is where all your design and content changes take place. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you're new. Everything you need is right on the left sidebar. Next, choose the page where you want your contact form to appear. Most people use a contact us page, but you can place it anywhere that makes sense for your site. Once you've selected your page, go to the left sidebar, look for the contact form element and simply drag and drop it onto your page. After it's placed, click on the form to open the editing options. Here you can customize everything, add or remove fields, change labels, and choose exactly what information you want from your visitors, like their name, email, and message. Make sure to review the form settings as well, so notifications and submissions work exactly the way you want. Once your form looks perfect and works the way you need, go ahead and click Publish. That instantly makes your contact form live for all your visitors. And that's it. Your Weebly contact form is set up and ready to go. A simple feature that makes a big difference in keeping your audience connected with you. Stay tuned for more quick tutorials.